Welcome back to the lab. Today, 5 desk upgrades that make your setup look expensive, ranked. And number 1 is the one people notice on every video call. Quick heads up, everything's linked in the description. Let's get into it, starting at number 5. Number 5, a cable management kit. Clips, sleeves, and a tray that hide every wire under the desk, so all you see is clean surface. It costs almost nothing. It takes 20 minutes, and it instantly makes the whole setup look intentional instead of chaotic. Number 4, an under-desk footrest. It tilts your legs to the right angle so your lower back stops taking all the pressure. If you sit for hours and your back complains by the afternoon, this quietly fixes it, and you'll forget it's even there. Number 3, a monitor riser. It lifts your screen to eye level, which means no more hunching forward all day, and it gives you a whole shelf of desk space back underneath. Better posture and more room from one simple piece of wood or metal. Number 2, a wireless charging stand. Your phone stands upright, charging at the perfect angle to see notifications. No cable, no hunting for the plug. It turns that pile of chargers into one clean little dock, and it looks like it belongs there. And number 1, the upgrade everyone notices, an LED desk lamp. It throws soft, even light across your whole desk with no glare on the screen, and you can dial the warmth from focused daylight to cozy evening. Your eyes stop aching at night. Your desk photographs beautifully, and you look 10 times better on camera. If you change one thing about your setup, make it this one. That's a wrap from HomePix Lab. Everything's linked below with current prices. If this helped, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.